Hello. Dear students of class 10, we are going to solve mathematics by R.D. Sharma, chapter 1, exercise 1.1, real numbers, question 8. So if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. So the question is so that the square of any positive integer cannot be of the form 6m plus 2 or 6m plus 5 for any integer m. So we will take any integer and we will take the square of it. So let n be any positive integer. So n is of form 6q or 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 2 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 4 or 6q plus 5. So we will take the square of each of them one by one. So make it up. So n square is equals to 6q whole square. So we will get n square is equals to 36q square, where 6 will be common and 6q square. So we can write hence m is equals to 6q square. So we can write 6m. Moving towards next step. So n square is equals to 6q plus 1 whole square. So we will get n square is equals to 36q square plus 2ab. So 2 into 6, 12, 12q plus 1. So we will take common. So 6 will be common. So we will get 6q square plus 2q plus 1. So we can write here m is equals to 6q square plus 2q. So we can write 6m plus 1. So we got the second form. N square is equals to 6q plus 2 whole square. So n square is equals to 36q square plus 2ab. So 2 into 6, 12 into 2, 24q plus 4. So we will take common. 6 will be common. So 6q square plus 4q plus 4. So we don't need 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 we don't need. So hence m is equals to 6q square plus 4q. So we can write n square is equals to 6m plus 4. So moving towards next form. So hence n square is equals to 6q plus 3. So we will take square. So n square is equals to 36q square plus 2ab. So 2 into 6, 12, 3. 36q plus 9. So n square is equals to, we will write this as, what we can write? So 6 plus 3. So we don't need 2 and 5. So 6 will be common, 6q square plus 6q plus 1 and plus 3. Hence m is equals to 6q square plus 6q plus 1. N square is equals to 6m plus 3. So moving towards next step. So what will be the next step? 6q plus 4. So n square is equals to 6q plus 4. So we will take n square and this one is whole square. So n square is equals to 36q square plus 2ab. So 12 into 4, 48q plus 16. So n square is equals to 6 is common. So we can write this as 12 plus 4. So we will get 6q square plus 8q plus 2 plus 4. So n square is equals to, we can write here, hence m is equals to 6q square plus 8q plus 2. So we can take 6m plus 4. So we got this, and the last is n square is equals to 6q plus 5 whole square. So n square is equals to 36q square plus 12 5 60 q plus 25. So we will take n square is equals to, so this we can write as 24 plus 1. So we got 6 as common, so 6q square plus 10q plus 4 plus 1. So we can write here, hence m is equals to 6q square plus 10q plus 4. Hence we can write n square is equals to 6m plus 1. So we can write, conclude that hence 6m plus 2 or 6m plus 5 cannot be square of positive integer. So this we have concluded for integer m. So that's all for this question. We will meet in the next question video. So if you liked my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to solve your doubt as soon as possible. And if you follow all of my videos, you can score good marks in board examination. That's all. Thank you.